Keeping up standards in restaurant hygiene is a never-ending business. You need dedicated inspectors, and in Wolverhampton, two of the finest are Johnny and Faye. A few weeks ago, they visited this kebab shop and were far from impressed. Today, they're back and in no mood to compromise.
We will be making sure that sort of all the points on our letter, all the legal contraventions have been attended to.
On their last visit, Faye found raw meat alongside cooked food.
Marco's told me that he's purchased this new fridge, because this wasn't here previously, to put raw food in.
Faye is determined to keep up standards.
This is not raw.
That's the chicken nuggets as
Yeah,
well.
but no, well, that's not. This isn't. So all of that could just go in here, and then you've got total separation. There isn't much cross-contamination going on, but if you've got a separate fridge, you might as well just use it all for raw and then put the ready-to-eat in these separate fridges. So that's what I was just explaining to him.
This was a problem last time.
We've got a container full of sort of festering water, which looks and smells pretty disgusting, really.
Today, the same area is spotless.
What I've seen is they've clearly made lots of efforts with the cleaning. The premises is now clean.
Last time, Faye was worried about the fridge.
This is probably one of the worst seals that I've seen.
It's been sorted out.
They've obviously replaced the seals, and they're currently keeping them in a clean condition, which is good to see.
And then there was the problem of the chopping boards.
As you can see, they're in an absolutely atrocious condition.
So we've got some new chopping boards. Great, okay.
And the verdict?
I think they've spent a lot of time and effort on making sure that those efforts are addressed, which is obviously great. And it's good to see somebody taking it seriously.
We want to see that this continue in the future, and that will help, raise our confidence in the management.